In Michigan's Upper Peninsula, there is a treasure trove of freshwater and inland lakes. Most lakes have very little fishing pressure, with a few clearwater fishing basics, where we guarantee you will land a whole lot of fishing fun and enjoyment, not to mention some very tasty dinners. Launching from one of the public boat ramps on Indian Lake, we're ready to start our ultimate fishing vacation in the Manistique area. Indian Lake is a favorite of anglers as walleye, northern pike, rock bass, and smallmouth bass have won 3 State of Michigan Master Angler Awards. Here's hoping we will be that successful today. In any case, this is a great day for fishing, and we're happy to be on the water. We were fortunate enough to go out fishing with a couple of fellas that know the lake quite well, Carl Lightcap and Dennis Green, a DNR park ranger. These guys spend a lot of time on Indian Lake, especially Carl, who is the Indian Lake State Park camp host. Talk to Carl. He'll not only tell you where to go, but he'll give you directions. There is some great fishing on this 8,659-acre lake. It's the 4th largest lake in the UP. It did not take long for us to get our first catch. The lake abounds with cool water fish, including muskie, northern pike, walleye, and large and smallmouth
All right,
bass.
that looks like a good one.
Panfish populating the lake are perch, bluegill, sunfish, rock bass, and bullheads. Thanks to the DNR, Indian Lake is stocked with a total of 13,000 plus walleye per year.